Custom entry doors. Fort Worth brings style, security, and long-term value to homes across Fort Worth, TX. Homeowners searching for custom entry doors. Fort Worth, custom front doors near Fort Worth, or custom entry doors in West Fort Worth. TX often want a personalized look with premium materials, decorative glass, upgraded hardware, and exact fit installation. An experienced entry door company can build residential entry doors Fort Worth in modern, classic, rustic, or transitional designs for better curb appeal and performance. Whether you need new front doors Fort Worth for a historic property or modern entry doors near Alliance Fort Worth, tailored door solutions improve first impressions and daily function. Steel entry doors. Fort Worth are a top choice for homeowners who want durability, security, and low maintenance. Many families looking for steel front doors in North Fort Worth or secure front doors, Fort Worth choose reinforced steel because it resists warping, cracking, and impact while helping protect the home. Trusted entry door contractors. Fort Worth can recommend insulated cores, multi-point locking systems, and weather-resistant finishes for long-lasting results. If you need exterior door installation, Fort Worth or entry door installation in Fort Worth TX, steel doors offer dependable performance for busy households, rental properties, and residential entry door service in Saginaw TX. Fiberglass entry doors. Fort Worth are popular for combining beauty, efficiency, and resilience in the Texas climate. Homeowners seeking fiberglass entry door installers, South Fort Worth TX, or energy-efficient entry doors. Fort Worth often prefer fiberglass because it can mimic wood grain while resisting moisture, heat, dents, and swelling. These energy-efficient front doors in Haltom City TX help reduce drafts and support indoor comfort throughout hot summers and cooler winter days. Professional home entry door services Fort Worth include sizing, fitting, sealing, and trim work so the final product looks polished and performs well. Fiberglass works especially well for front door replacement Fort Worth in high-traffic homes. Wood entry doors. Fort Worth offer rich character, timeless elegance, and a warm, natural appearance that elevates curb appeal. If you are searching for wood entry doors near TCU Fort Worth or custom front doors near Fort Worth, premium hardwood options can be crafted in traditional, farmhouse, craftsman, or luxury styles. Skilled entry door contractors. Fort Worth help homeowners choose stain colors, carved panels, side lights, and entry door glass inserts Fort Worth for a personalized design. Wood doors can also be paired with entry door weatherproofing Fort Worth and proper sealing for better longevity. For upscale residential entry doors. Fort Worth, wood remains a classic and highly desirable option. Front door replacement. Fort Worth is one of the most effective home upgrades for appearance, safety, and energy savings. Older or damaged doors may stick, leak air, allow moisture intrusion, or reduce security, making front door repair. Fort Worth or full replacement, the smarter investment. Homeowners often request front door replacement near downtown Fort Worth, new front doors in Near Southside Fort Worth, or entry door replacement near Fort Worth Stockyards to refresh aging homes and improve property value. From pre-hung entry doors Fort Worth to door frame replacement Fort Worth, a complete exterior door replacement in Keller TX can solve operational issues while delivering a clean, updated finish. Front door replacement. Fort Worth is often the right service when the existing door is structurally sound, but experiencing common wear issues. Homeowners looking for entry door repair in River Oaks TX, front door glass replacement in Burleson TX, or door frame repair in Cultural District Fort Worth may only need hinge adjustments, lock set replacement, frame correction, weather stripping, or glass insert updates. Reliable front door contractors in North Richland Hills TX can diagnose sticking, sagging, air leaks, and water intrusion before recommending full front door replacement Fort Worth. In many cases, targeted repair restores function, improves security, and extends the life of residential entry doors Fort Worth. Modern entry doors. Fort Worth are ideal for homeowners who want clean lines, glass accents, minimalist hardware, and a contemporary facade. Many searches for modern entry doors near Alliance Fort Worth, new front doors Fort Worth, or residential entry doors Fort Worth reflect demand for sleek styles that also offer security and insulation. Frosted panels, narrow frames, bold colors, and energy-efficient entry doors, Fort Worth can transform the front of the home while keeping maintenance manageable. For homeowners updating properties near downtown, near Southside, or West Fort Worth, a modern front door replacement Fort Worth creates a polished, current appearance that complements renovated exteriors.